I'm going to show you how you can sugar wax your own Brazilian at home. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, or if you're not feeling confident enough to get started yet, please save this video and you can go review more videos on my page. I specifically recommend my Brazilian sugar wax playlist and my tips and tricks playlist. So let's get started. We are going to work from the outside in sections. Start with the inner thigh. I personally recommend doing this section and this section separate. It can be difficult to wax when you round the corner of your thigh. Start by applying the wax against your natural hair growth direction, slowly molding it 3 times. Now, while holding the skin taut, you want to swiftly remove the sugar wax in a parallel motion to the skin's surface, and you really gotta commit to the pull. Immediately after pulling off your sugar wax, you can apply pressure to the area to help alleviate the sting. Next, we go into the Mons Venus area. In this area, you can choose to leave a little landing strip, or if you want to get creative with a little shape, you can just wax inward until you get the look you want. Now you've worked your way to the labia. This area can be difficult, so we're going to slow it down. You may want to reapply some powder, so you can use your finger to carefully and gently apply it to the area. You also want to use just your finger to apply the sugar in this area. So you can use one hand to hold your skin taut and the other to apply the sugar and remove it, just like that. Sometimes I even just like to use strips in this area because it's really easy to handle. And finally, if you desire, you can wax your rectal area. Make sure that you have cleaned the area and that you apply powder, and I recommend using a fabric strip. Now you can check for any missed hairs and go in with either tweezers, or you can go back in with just your finger until you get all the stragglers.